Welcome to Traveling with a Chair. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Ken Edmonds, and on this channel I help people travel more, spend less, and I provide information that's helpful to those that travel with a disability.
This is a typical sail-away party, I think, for most cruise lines. You can see the cruise director's staff out there. It was a little cool, so there's maybe not as many people in swimsuits as there would be. It was a sunny day. We had a great time, but it was pretty cool out there. We're getting ready to sail away in the port of Miami. You can see South Beach over there in the distance. People in a hurry there to come up and join the party. And like I said, this was an auspicious start to what turned out to be a really good cruise for us. We really enjoyed our time, both on the Norwegian Sky and in the ports of Freeport and Nassau. We didn't get our sea day in, but everything else was great. We're kind of pushing sideways away from it. Now, the big blue and red site you see right in front of us, that is the Norwegian, or the new Norwegian terminal that's under construction. It'll be interesting to see. I was there in January. I'm going back again in March to see how much progress they've made on it. I couldn't tell from here or from the other terminal how close we were. They're just using the bow thrusters, it looks like, and possibly the azipod a little bit just to nudge us slowly away from the dock, and then we're going to get started sailing out here in just a second. And we're going to go by this Royal Caribbean ship, and it's kind of interesting. You'll be able to hear a little bit of the reaction as we start to cruise by. They made quite a bit of noise as we were going by. There was a pretty good crowd on the balcony. You can see we're starting to just move on here real slowly. The ship channel in Miami is interesting. It's really pretty. The water is super clear. It's a great terminal. I thought the boarding process, if you've seen my earlier video, was quick and easy. I just don't know how things could get any better. And we're actually going to revisit the port on another ship in a few videos, because we were here on the Pearl as well, so we'll go through this process for the Pearl. You can see we're starting to get up here close to the I forget which, I think this was Navigator of the Seas is which ship this was. And so we're starting to go by. She's quite a bit bigger than the Sky is, a lot more balconies. And some of the people on the balconies had probably been partying for a while already, because they were pretty vociferous as we were cruising by. And you see them all out there waving at us, cheering us on. I'm always interested in getting a chance to look at other ships as we see them. This one looks gorgeous. I haven't been on any of the Royal Caribbeans in forever. It's probably been 15, 16 years, so I'm looking forward to a chance to get on one in the future.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe buttons. We've got a lot more videos coming up. You're really going to enjoy them. We'll see you next time.